Welcome to the set of Homework Express. We're an interactive math show designed for middle schoolers in Northeastern Ohio and Western Pennsylvania. In our 7 years on the air, we've grown from a local show on a public access channel in just the Youngstown area to a program that reaches nearly 1 million subscribers' homes in 28 counties via the Time Warner fiber optic loop. We're seen on the web as well with live streaming and various video on-demand outlets, and our program airs 5 days a week from 4:30 to 5 p.m. on the Neon Network. It's a network designed to highlight local content. And we also do a replay show on Saturday and Sunday mornings on the commercial station MyYTV in Youngstown. One of the cool things about our show is that content is largely controlled by the callers. They tell us what math concepts they're having trouble with, and our experienced math teachers help them find solutions. Let me show you what I mean. We already have a caller. Dakota's been waiting patiently on the phone, calling in from. Dakota, where are you from?
Brookfield.
Excellent. What grade are you in?
7.
Listen, we're glad you found Homework Express. What are you working on?
Math.
Math, that's a good thing to work on. That's what we all work on here. Let's all say it together. Math. All right. Dakota, what are you doing specifically? We're going to send somebody to the board, all right?
I'm doing the XY tables.
Oh, okay.
So give me the XY table and then tell me what are you trying to find out from this XY table?
I'm trying to find the Y's.
Okay. Okay, so give me some values and let's see if we can find a Y value for you.
For X, I have -5.
Okay.
-5, -2, 1, and 3.
Okay. And what do you have in the Y column?
Can we just add those together the way they are?
No, you have to find the common denominator.
Exactly, exactly. You don't want to just go, oh, 1 plus 2 and 2 plus 5. No, we've got to get a common denominator.
All right, Fred, we'll get to this now. This is factoring a perfect cube, and it's the difference of 2 perfect cubes. So just like we have the difference of 2 perfect squares, there's a rule for doing this too. And what I tell my students is it's always going to be a binomial times a trinomial.
Okay. Now, when you find a problem like this, what is happening is they're throwing in some what we call distractors in there, because students are so prone to just grab all of the numbers and see how they can put those numbers together. What really you have to do is read through that whole problem and ask yourself, what is the exact question that they want us to answer?
There's a lot more to our program than just the callers. Just like the TV show Jeopardy, our viewers can play along at home. For every caller we help, there are perhaps hundreds of viewers who are learning how to solve the problem presented or reinforcing their own math skills by solving the problem along with the TV teacher. And it is those passive viewers who can benefit most from our program. Now, we're not going to tell you how important math competency is or how challenging math can be for middle school students. You already know that. What we are going to do is ask you to help us continue to offer this program to middle school viewers in Northeast Ohio and Western PA. Even though Homework Express is broadcast from the campus of Youngstown State University, we are an independent 501(c) organization. Other than the space and the equipment, YSU does not financially support our program. It's people like you who help us keep the show on the air. There are several ways for you to help. The first is full program sponsorship. This would include a 30-second spot before the show, inclusion of your graphic in the opening animation of our show, a spot announcement in the body of the show, and a spot at the conclusion of the show. If you wish, your logo can also be part of our permanent set at the foot of the smartboard. Now, the second way segment sponsorship is allowed is we run regular features in our show, including shout-outs to schools in the viewing area. How about the word of the day, featuring definitions of mostly math and science terms? We like to make you word smart. Math Man segments of more advanced math concepts and how they're used in everyday life. And our interview segments featuring outstanding students who've done some unusual or interesting things in their schools or communities. Sponsorship of one of these segments would include a segment opening billboard with your message. Of course, you want to know what you get from this relationship. What's the benefit to you? Your company or product will be highlighted on a positive show in a positive light. There are few better ways to show a community your commitment to being a good neighbor than helping kids help themselves. And that's what Homework Express is designed to do. And your additional cross-media promotions will reinforce the fact that you are committed to helping today's youth prepare for the challenges of tomorrow. For more information about supporting Homework Express, please contact Dr. Fred Owens, our project director. You can reach him by using the information shown on the screen. Thank you for your time, and thank you for your support of Homework Express.